Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another unboxing on AMINA MUADDI. As many women, I really love her heels. They are just so fun, so youthful, and they remind me of the Manolo Blahnik heels. They're similar, but the Manolos of course are a classic and these are more trendy. I love her heels. The only thing that I cannot justify is the price for their at least slingback PVC plastic or any of their PVC heels. I feel like for PVC she should be at a lower price point, but I do love her shoe, and if you love her shoe, you're either gonna pay the price and buy them in every color or look at alternatives to something that's similar. With that being said, I have also blogged about this unboxing, and I will link the blog post down below in my bio, so make sure to take a look at that. Now let's get straight to the unboxing. This is the box it comes in. It's a white box and it just says AMINA MUADDI, and as you can see, my box is a little worn because I had it saved for this and I just threw it anywhere. It comes with a kind of blushy pink dust bag, and it also says AMINA MUADDI. And these are the beautiful, beautiful heels. So I actually got 2 PVC and then 1 regular slingback. The 2 PVCs I got are this color, it's like a bubblegum pink, and then like a red burgundy color. And I will be trying them on for you guys. Look how pretty they are. All of them do say AMINA MUADDI on them. This is what the embellishment looks like. It is so beautiful, so basic but so beautiful. I actually want the matching earrings. Then, like I said, this is PVC. It's freaking plastic, and I am usually a size 37.5, but with slingbacks they always tell you to size down. So yeah, I got this in a size 37. These are it. They're so stunning. I would recommend you trying them on at the store if you can, if you're lucky enough to find them, instead of just ordering them online without knowing. But if you are getting slingbacks, I don't have the regular closed ones. I do suggest sizing down like I did. So these are the bubblegum pink ones, and I will be trying them on for you. This is the second box I will unbox. Same box as the first one, but for this one I'll show you the style, the pricing. I know, expensive. This is what I was mentioning earlier about PVC being expensive for what they are. Again, dust bag, tissue paper, so here are the beautiful burgundy begum glass slingbacks. They actually match my nail color. They're just so stunning. I love this color. I actually bought these heels for Christmas and I did not get to wear them because I did not find an outfit. That's one, and two, I wanted to unbox them with you guys, so here they are. Again, these are 37, as I mentioned before. Size down when you're getting slingbacks, and it's just not for Amina Muaddi. It's any sling bag you get of any brand, you should always size down. The details again, the embellishment, the PVC, the color. Again, it says Amina Muaddi. This is the strap. I love this kind of heel because I feel like it gives you more support. Then this is the back. It says MA or her heel zoo. And voila! Now to try them. Heel unboxing for this video, and again, same box, style, pricing. So these are not PVC. According to the description on the website, they're actually a lavender and blue satin material. I really love this heel. It looks like cotton candy. It is so pretty. I have this in a similar style, but it's, instead of the pink, it's a light blue. It's the same kind of aqua bluish, but with a light blue hint, and it's just perfect, since I've been letting you guys know that I want to start wearing more pink and more colors, so this is honestly perfect for that. Look how pretty. The only thing is I do not have a matching purse for this, so I'll be on the hunt for that. These are it. Now to try them on. As always, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. I will be unboxing way more stuff in the next upcoming weeks that I have purchased last year, well, 2021. I just haven't had a chance to make YouTube videos because I've been prepping for my wedding, so some of the unboxing will have to do with wedding attire, and I am super excited for this. I hope you guys are also excited. I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.